very good. So first right quarter turn. Relax. So second right quarter turn. Relax. Third right quarter turn. Meanwhile, final call for men's physique tall category. Men's physique tall final call. Relax. Your final right quarter turn. Final right quarter turn. Straight cut judges placement. That's final right quarter turn. Relax. Please go back. Next time come forward. First right quarter turn. Relax. Your second right quarter turn. Relax. Your third right quarter turn. Relax. Your final right quarter turn. Judges straight up face பண்ணுங்க. அதுதான் final right quarter turn. Straight up face பண்ணுங்க judges. Relax. Please go back. Join your line. Stand according to your run number. Judges score sheet. 82 and 185. Judges select 2. Judges select 2. Straight up close ஆவாங்க. 178 close up. Straight up line. Judges face பண்ணுங்க. Judges select 2. First right quarter turn. Relax. Your second right quarter turn. Second right quarter turn. Relax. Third right quarter turn. Relax. Your final right quarter turn. Relax. Please go back. Judges. 178, 180, 182, 182, 272. These are the top 5 athletes of this category. Thank you for Thank you. August 15 நமக்கு ஓபன் ஸ்டேட் பாடி பில்டிங் காம்படிஷன் நடக்குது ஹொசூர்ல. ஸோ நல்லா ப்ரிப்பேர் ஆகிட்டு அங்கே வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன். ஒரு பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுத்துடலாம். தேங்க்யூ. ஜட்ஜஸ் மெரிட் பொசிஷன் கொடுத்துருங்க. அத்லெட்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா லெக்ஸ் ரெண்டு க்ளோஸா வச்சு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா நில்லுங்க. லெக்ஸ் ரெண்டு க்ளோஸா வச்சு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா ஜட்ஜஸ் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Your first right quarter turn. First right quarter turn. Relax. Your second right quarter turn. Relax. Third right quarter turn. Relax. Your final right quarter turn. Relax. Please go back. Judges, proceed. Final pose down. Music.
Thank you, Abhineet. Please go back. Thank you.
Fifth placing, the men's physics shot category goes to truck number 272, Kishore KS from Chennai district. Merit certificate and bodybuilder trophy. Thank you. The fourth placing in this category goes to truck number 178, Nehru from Chengalpattu district. Merit certificate, bodybuilder trophy. Thank you, Albert. The third placing bronze medal goes to truck number 177, Manikandan from Chengalpattu district. Bronze medal, merit certificate, bodybuilder trophy and cash award of rupees 2000. Thank you. The second placing silver medal goes to truck number 182, Satish Kumar from Chennai district. Silver medal, merit certificate, bodybuilder trophy and cash award of rupees 3000. Thank you. Thank you. The champion of the category, gold medal goes to number 180, Ajit Kumar from Chennai district. Gold medal, merit certificate, bodybuilder trophy and cash award of rupees 5000.